You're tuning in with John the Diesel Man at the world famous Nydiesels.com. We are in shop number 1 where we just painted this black short bed. And the last video, you got to go see the last video. Basically, we showed you everything that this customer wanted, and now it's just amazing. Wait till this truck is refinished. I mean, absolutely going to be perfect. Our refinish guys are perfect. But, you know, when my guys put box sides on, you go look at our last video. Our work is phenomenal. It's the best. You know what I mean? It just is. I mean, we could go way above and beyond what we did, but, you know, our customer here wouldn't want to pay for it. But because he's already up there, and we did a lot of work for him, and we're giving him the best we can give him for the budget that he has. We already went above and beyond with the budget that he gave us. But, I mean, we could maybe do a little bit better, but, I mean, we're already right there, man, at the top shelf. You know, I mean, I look at some of the stuff, and I say, well, how can we even make that any better? Our guys just great, man. I mean, these are all replacement box sides. And when you look at them, it looks just like the factory, you know, everything, you know, all the bottoms of these doors, you know, it's all brand new, redone. And so this is black, and this thing is going to gleam, you know. And for all you guys out there that say, oh, you don't have a booth, you're not painting in a booth, we have a booth at our other shop. Well, let me tell you something. That doesn't mean anything. I'll guarantee you that a ton of custom cars in this country never get painted in a booth, and they win shows all the time. And I'm also going to tell you that when this truck is done and you see the panels, you'll think it was sprayed in a $100,000 booth. So don't let your ignorance chime in, okay? Refinishing is everything. And when this truck gets finished, whoever gets this truck is going to be in for a treat. Absolutely in for a treat. So we go the full 9. Roof, everything, whole entire truck. This is what we do, Nydiesels.com. Go watch our last video. You'll see this truck was all in primer. Once this truck is refinished, forget about it, man. You're not going to have a truck this nice. All brand new metal in this whole thing. It's like a new truck, man. And we'll put new latches in, all new cables in the doors, brand new headlights, grill, emblems, door emblems, Laramie SLT emblems, bumper, fog light inserts, fog lights if this truck has it, I can't remember it. New roof lights, upper lower bumper covers, face bar brackets, new rear bumper on the back. Redo the inside of the box, brand new tail lights, license plate lights, everything. So I'm just super excited, you know. It's just amazing, you know. Brand new cab corners, rockers, everything looks just like the factory. My guys are the best. Nydiesels.com. If you want your truck done and you want it to look the best, it's really hard for us to do an amateur job. We can't really do that because our guys are just too professional. But if you got some money and you want a really nice job, or if you want a show truck or whatever you want, and I do want to say this, it doesn't matter what type of vehicle it is. Yes, we specialize in second gens and redoing second gens, but if you have an old Corvette, if you got an old Bel Air, if you got an old Cuda, if you got an old El Camino, if you got a S10, Chevy Cavalier, I don't care what you got, a Volkswagen Bug, it doesn't matter. If you have a vehicle and it needs paint, motorcycles, whatever, we got airbrush guys, we got everything. Listen, I'll go against anybody, anywhere on the Discovery Channel, anywhere you can find guys, I'll put my guys against them, okay, for custom work. If you just want your vehicle redone, repainted, whatever, if you need metal work done, you need welding done, whatever you need, We are the best. I'll guarantee it. Nydiesels.com. 607-423-7729. Let me say that again. 607-423-7729. Wait till this truck is done. My customer is going to be blown away. Nydiesels.com. The best. Painted everything. Inside, outside, up, down, inside, out. Everything. I can do color changes. I can do anything. It all just takes money. Okay? We are not some low-budget shop that does stuff cheaply. We do the best of our ability because we're professionals at what we do. So if you want a professional job done and not something that just came out of a trade school, vocational school, come see us. Nydiesels.com.